Welcome to the webinar. You have entered as an organizer.
Yes, good morning friends. This is Madhu here. Okay. Yes. If you want to learn SAP, in SAP, particularly SAP HCM, there are certain basic things, first of all, you must know. Normally, a company is a group of people collectively work for a common goal, that is to satisfy the customer. Or you can say a company is a group of professionals who will collectively work for a targeted work or aimed work. That company contains so many departments like HR, finance, marketing, IT, production, material, warehouse, that is stores, plant, so many departments. The department's data can be maintained in two ways. One is manually, another is through the computers. If you can maintain a company's data manually, the data is in one place, in one register, is with one person, which is not shareable to other departments, other persons, other locations, other countries. If the data is not available, the entire centralized company, all the department people, so we cannot run the business smoothly to satisfy the customer. So to share the data which is entered somewhere in the company, we use applications, that is softwares, nothing but computers. What is application? Application is applying a business logic from software to hardware. Application is nothing but, in general language, it's a software product or an application. Applications are two types, ERP and non-ERP. If it is non-ERP, you must be a technical background student like BTech, BSc, MCA, MTech. In non-ERP, the database is developed from the scratch level. Tables are created, screens are created, fields are created as a fresh based on the business requirement. In non-ERP, we can maintain a partial data. Let's say company BHL. There you can maintain HR. In HR, only performance data. Only performance. What is employee performance? Or in production, only material data. Or finance, only either account payable or account receivable. But you cannot maintain entire department or all departments data. So a non-ERP application in which you can maintain only partial data. To develop the non-ERP application, we commonly use languages C, C++, .NET, Java, etc. etc. These applications, after certain periods, may not modifiable, upgradable, changeable, and the application design template is different from company to company. Okay, coming to ERP. What is meant by ERP? ERP means E stands for enterprise. That's an industry or an organization where group of people will work for a common goal collectively. R stands for resources. A company will have certain resources. What are the resources? It contains men, money, material, methods, machinery, marketing. Then P stands for the plan or a planning. So ERP is a pre-designed business software application providing a plan providing a solution to maintain the above said human resources data, financial data, material data, sales data, production data. Now, what are the ERP products are in the market? There are plenty of ERP products in the market. Tally, PeopleSoft, Oracle, JD Edwards, BAN, Ramco Marshall, etc. etc. And SAP is also one of the ERP products. Good. Now, but in all the ERP products, SAP is better than all other ERP products. In ERP, we can maintain a company's complete data, one server in which we can maintain entire data, global, user-friendly, unique, ready to use. Okay. But how can you say SAP is better than all other? Let us take an example called BHL company. It contains HR department, finance, sales, material, production, customers and vendors, warehouse, quality. Such huge departments data can you maintain in Oracle, PeopleSoft, Tally? No, we can maintain in SAP. How? So SAP HR is known as HCM, finance department is known as FICO, SD sales and marketing, SD sales and distribution, purchasing department material is MM, production is PP, plant is PM, quality is QM, warehouse is WM, customers and vendors is known as CRM, customer relationship management. So SAP is better than all other ERP and non-ERP products. Now, what is SAP? SAP is one of the ERP products which is designed for any type of industry. It's a mid-size company, small-size company, CMM 5-level company, or a big company. It's fit for any type of industry, non-IT, IT, pharma, construction, anything. Okay. SAP stands for Systems, Applications, and Products in Data Processing. It's one of the ERP products. What are the products are there in SAP? SAP AG is an IT company which develops the following applications like R by 3, IS Retail, SAP Banking, SRM, CRM, APO. Okay, different applications. But you are learning here R by 3. What is meant by R3? R stands for the real-time data, 3 stands for 3-tier architecture. In SAP R3, we have 3 tiers, 3 layers. First one, presentation layer, is also known as GUI, graphical user interface, where functional consultants have to work. Second one is application layer, where technical consultants, that is ABAP consultants, have to work. Third one is database layer, where basis consultants are going to work. What is meant by consultant? If you learn SAP, you are known as SAP consultants. If you learn SAP HCM, you are known as SAP HCM consultant. So what is meant by consultant? A consultant is a professional who is expert in business process and also expert in application providing. That means a consultant who is able to understand a company business process within short period of time in a professional way and able to give a solution for the existing business process what the company is running. There are 3 types of consultants like functional consultant, HCM, FICO, SD, MM, PP, QM, PM, such as. Second one is technical consultants. What is meant by technical? That's an ABAP, Basis, EP, BI, BW, BO, HANA, etc. etc. Now last one, techno-functional consultants. So techno-functional consultants are nothing but ABAP HR. That's it. Good. How is the job market for SAP, HCM and other modules? SAP job market is always good. The people who has creativity skills, SAP skills, communicative skills, and document skills. Apart from this, you must have a lot of patience, thirsty of SAP. If you have these skills, it's very easy to get a job. Learn SAP from an expert. Don't learn SAP from an ordinary trainer. There are so many people who are in the market who will teach you, who do not know what exactly ERP and SAP. So learn SAP from the expert and become an expert. All the best for this. Okay. Now, how to log on into SAP R3? It's very simple. So click on your start your computer. You can have a SAP logon icon on your desktop. Double click on that. Then you get a prompt screen. In real-time scenario, it contains three servers: development server, quality or testing server, and production. Apart from these three, there will be sandbox server is also there, but that is a different thing. We have three servers, but where you are learning in institute, you don't have these three servers: development, quality, and testing. Okay, but we have one server. In real time, in which server you are going to work, double click on that. Then you get a screen, client. Here you are learning in 800. In real time scenario, basis people will tell you which client you are going to work. It is always a 3-digit numeric code. Here you have to enter 800. User ID, most of the cases in real time scenario, maybe your name or admin1, admin2, admin3, or HR user 1, 2, like that. Password is very confidential. Here it is India 123. Language is always English. Press enter. That's it. This is a simple way to log on. As soon as you log on into SAP R3, that is the home page what you get, where all authorized users are going to work. What is meant by user? Who is going to work in the system is known as a user. There are two types of users. One, IT users. IT users means information technology, IT team, SAP functional consultants, SAP technical consultants who will develop the application. Another users are client-side people. Client-side peoples are always known as end users. So above the end users, there are super users. There may be core users. So core user, end user, super user are part of the client people. They have to work from implementing partner, support partner, are like IT professionals, SAP functional consultants, SAP technical consultants. Okay. As soon as you log on into any SAP screens, there are 5 bars. What is meant by bar? There are 5 bars are there. Top of the screen, you can see a menu bar. Under the menu bar, you have a toolbar. Under the toolbar, you have a title bar. Under the title bar, you have a function or an application bar. Under that is bottom of the screen, you can have a status bar. Of these 5 bars in toolbar, that is below the menu bar. Menu bar is the top of the screen. There is a command field. So command field where you are going to enter the transaction code or a T code. What is a transaction code? Once you are working in SAP, you must know the transaction code, because every transaction, if you wanted to go to any screen or if you wanted to do any transaction, you have to know the transaction code. A transaction code is a shortcut key which is entered in the command field. Then you go to a particular screen, then you can enter the data and save it. This is execution. This is a transaction. So transaction code is a shortcut key which is used to go to a particular screen. You have to get by heart minimum 200 transaction codes for day-to-day life and to get a job. Once you get a job, all transaction codes are available in SAP. Don't worry about that. That's good. Then, if you learn SAP, what you have to learn? Contents. You have to learn personal administration, hiring, transfer, termination, rehire, okay, absconding, like etc. etc. In personal administration, you have to know info types, features. Am I right? Then ISIS document, to be document, not ISIS. This is okay, but in personal administration, these you have to know. And next one, organized management. Organized management. So a company hierarchy. So who is the top of the company? Who is the bottom of the company? Department hierarchy, position hierarchy, such as. There you have to know objects, relationships, info types, plan versions, OM number ranges. Then time management. What is time management? Holidays, holiday calendar. Okay, list of holidays and location-wise holidays, breaks, working hours, general shift, morning, evening, night shift, working hours per a week. Okay, 1 week rotation, 2 week rotation, 3 week rotation, working hours per a day, week, month, year, absences, paid absences, paid absences, casual leave, sick leave, medical leave, maternity, paternity, seasonal, annual. So leaves quota, entitlement, leave encashment, leave carry forwarded, swiping, punching, biometrics, CATs, that is cross application timesheet, schemas, PCRs, time types, and all those things you are going to learn in the time management. Time evaluation, positive and negative. Okay, then payroll. So we will teach you any two payrolls, like I'm working on 16 country payrolls, whether you want Indian payroll, US payroll, Saudi, international payroll, Malaysian payroll, Australian payroll, Canada payroll, Singapore payroll, Australia payroll, Brazil payroll, Switzerland, whatever the payroll you want, you can. So two payrolls in depth we will teach you: gross salary, net salary, statutories. Okay, payroll specific info types, functions, payroll driver, schema, standard schemas, standard customer specific PCRs, standard PCRs, functions, reports, all those things we are going to discuss. Okay, then recruitment. You know what is recruitment? Is a process. Give advertisement, get the resume, shortlist them, conduct an interview. Okay, then negotiations, offer letter, hiring, then personal development. Okay, appraisal system. Personal development means development of the employees, like promotion increment. To give promotion and increment, you must have an appraisal system. So by through the appraisal system, appraisal method, you can give the promotion or an increment. Okay, and training and event management. So conduct training for freshers or an experienced people for 1 day, 10 days, 15 days. So you need trainer, trainees. Okay, and then you need schedule, day segment, and all those things. Okay, compensation management. More performers will get more benefits, less performers will get less uh, benefits. That is the concept of fund of the compensation management. Bonus, how you are going to give the bonus, incentives, how you are going to give, how you are going to prepare the budget for the compensation. Okay, then ESSMSS, employee self-service, manager self-services. Employees without the help of the HR department, they could see their data, they could manage their data through the portal is known as ESS. MSS managers, so without going to office, from sitting at their home, they can give an approval for the employees who has applied, maybe a leave applying or anything like that, and e-recruitment, then LSO, SAP Learning Solution. Apart from this, we are going to provide you a project training. A project training nowadays, unless and until if you keep 3 4 years of experience, they will ask all the real-time questions like what is ASAP methodology? Okay, how many types of projects are there? Like there are 5 types of projects are there: implementation project, support and maintenance, migration upgradation, and rollout and enhancement. Okay, if you are an implementation project, there is a roadmap called ASAP methodology. Like, it contains 5 phases. Number one, project preparation. Number two, business blueprint. Third one, realization. Fourth one, final preparation. Fifth one, go live and support. In each and every phase, what is your role, that we'll discuss in detail in real-time scenario. As soon as you go to the company place, okay, a project can be done either on-site project or an offshore project. What is on-site? Entire team will go to the client place, sit in the client premises, develop the application is known as on-site. Offshore means, okay, need not entire team will go to the client place. Okay, team leader, project manager will go to the client place and gather the data, sit in the implementing office, and you can develop the application. So whatever the project it is, you gather the conduct a workshop, gather the data, okay, and prepare ISIS document, prepare to be document, prepare BBP, start customization, try to know what is a landscape, transport the data, prepare customization document, prepare user manual, write test cases, okay, test script, test it here, integration testing, okay. Then upload the master data, involve in cutover activities, upload the master data through LSNW, okay. Then write functional specification to generate G reports, okay. G reports are known as customer specific reports. All these things is a part of an implementation, okay. And apart from this, we will prepare your resume, okay. So we will conduct 1 or 2 mock interviews, and we will give you some FAQs which are frequently asked in the interviews, okay. And apart from that, we will give a reference to you also, because if you have sufficient knowledge, definitely will help you. And apart from that, and okay, even we are providing in success factors trainings also. Who are interested, you can join in success factors, where we are covering everything like, you know, employee central, performance management and goals, job analytics, succession planning, okay, and compensation, recruiting, and all those things we are going to cover. And so SAP HR and HCM success factors, all we are going to cover. So finally we will give you, if you go for an intro, you can answer more than 95% in any type of intro, any type of intro that assurance will give you. And coming to the subject, so structures, what is meant by structure? Structure is a group of elements or objects and its relationships, you can say. There are majorly 3 structures, like, you know, enterprise structure, personal structure, and organizational structure. Again, in personal structure, we have 3 wage type structure, pay scale structure, and you know, it's an applicant structure. Enterprise structure contains 4: company, company code, personal area, and sub area. Org structure contains many objects, but you have to maintain. Org unit O, jobs, position yes, person P, task T, work center A, cost center K. And personal structure contains employee group, employee subgroup, and payroll accounting area. Wage type structure contains primary wage type, secondary wage type, customer specific wage type, time wage type. And pay scale structure contains pay scale type, pay scale area, pay scale group, and pay scale level. Applicant structure contains applicant group and applicant level. So here my teaching style is, first we will provide you the screenshot notes, and you can take a hard copy as well as a soft copy also, both of them. And most of the cases, every week you have a test. We will send you a soft copy, and again you have to write the answer. While practicing, if you get any doubt, and I will be available by 11:30 here, because my office timings are 1 to 9:45, which is UK timings. So you can come and ask me, or else your senior people are there, you can help us, or you can reach me, so 9912223430, or you can mail me, so madhupayroll madhupayroll@gmail.com, so that you can get an answer. Or else before we start the session, the next day you can ask the question, so we will clarify your doubts. That was the thing what we are going to provide. Okay, now what is a role of a consultant in real-time scenario? The same way we will follow here. Here we will take a company scenario. What is ISIS document? Let us take a company structure. ISIS document is nothing but an existed company business process. We will prepare that first. Later we will prepare to be document. What is to be document? How existed business process, how current business process will be mapped into SAP is known as to be document. And later we will prepare BBP. So BBP is a combination of ISIS to be and the identifier. We are going to create a code. So by creating the code, we are going to customize. So the role of a consultant is prepare. So first gather the data, prepare ISIS, prepare to be, prepare BBP, start customization, transport the data, test it, deliver the product. upload the master data. That's the thing what you are going to do here. Okay, so this is just an introduction part, and I think it's very useful all the beginners, of course, of experienced people. And so this is audio 1, and within short time you are going to get audio 2, which contains the paths and table names and everything. All the best. Thank you.